Okay, hello everyone. I hope I am audible and the screen is also visible to everyone. Uh, some of you just confirm. Just let me know in the chat box. Is my screen visible or not? Am I audible or not? Please confirm once I will start. Okay. I hope I am audible to everyone, right? Okay, anyway, I think people are typing. Yeah, sure. Okay, yes. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so everyone, we were discussing about questions. We'll continue with that, and then maybe today we will try to start with packages, and then we will go with the applications actually. Okay. So everyone, you can see these are the questions which we have solved till now. Okay, I hope like you people, many of you have answered it correctly. And yes, this was the last question: whether the word dog present in the string or not. Okay, this was the last question. Now let us continue with the remaining questions here, everyone. These are the questions which we have solved based on indexing functions. Okay. Now everyone, next question. See, create a function that counts number of times word dog occurs in a string. Again, ignore edge cases. Now earlier it was what? Earlier it was like you need to just check out whether the word dog present or it was present or not, true or false. But this time you need to count how many number of times the word dog has occurred in the string. This is the function. So in this case, let's say dog one time and dog two times. So that's why the answer is two times. So for that, you need to write down a function. Simple, straightforward question, everyone. If you are not getting the question, let me know. Write a function to count number of times the word dog occurs in a string. That is the question. You can take 3-4 minutes and you can write down the function, send the answer as usual in the chat box. Okay, everyone, I hope you got the question. Start solving this. This time I think I can expect I will get more answers from more people. Let me check all of the answer. Okay, no answer. Simple question, everyone. Create a function that counts number of times the word dog occurs in a string. I'm expecting everyone has joined the session from laptop and they are trying. Okay, no answer. Is it that difficult, everyone, or you are trying? Can you let me know this particular question? No one able to answer. If you are trying, let me know. Otherwise, we'll just try to answer that. See everyone, this is your question. I think I am getting answers. Okay, trying. Dheeraj is saying trying. Trying. Okay, just try to get the answer then everyone. It is not difficult. I think it will not require that much of time. Okay, so I am going to write the question here. Something like this should happen. Not a single person able to answer. Okay, see, even if it is wrong, no problem. Okay. Anyway, everyone, see, I think maybe people are writing down, trying it out, but not able to write it down. Anyway, see, what we want to do is we want to count number of times the word dog has occurred. Okay. So can we use print a dot count dog where a is our input? But see, Bhargav, it will not give you answer for uppercase dog. Are you getting my point? And anyway, we need to write on a function. So you don't have to use a ready-made function actually. That's the thing. Okay, Bhargav, we need to write on our own function, user-defined function. That's why using this will not do. And anyway, it will not answer for all cases actually. That's why you cannot use that. Anyway, see everyone. What we can do is we want to do a count. Okay, I am getting one more reply. I think. Okay, fine. So thought I got the answer. Anyway, I will tell you. See, what we want to do, we want to count, right? So what we will do is we will define a function. Let's say the name of the function is count dog, something like this, count dog. Now it is going to accept something, right? Variable, some variable. Now initially count is going to be what? Initially count is going to be 0. So that's why I will initialize it. Now we have a string s which we are going to take from the user. Okay, the string we will take as a parameter, as an argument from the user. So what I will do is for some word w in string s. Do you remember we have already seen this one s dot lower? Why we convert into lowercase? Because everything it should consider, right? So S dot lower dot, do you remember something like split? Also we have seen split always gives you output in the form of a list, so it's always good to count. List will actually separate everything which is separate by spaces. List is going to give the output for that. By default, the splitting character in case of a list is nothing but space, so it will give output in the form of a list. Right? In case of split, the default character is space. Default split character is space, and it gives output in the form of a list. I hope everyone remember that. If that WW is equal to, so after converting it into lowercase and getting the separate elements as words in case of a list, so you can compare it like this. If that word equal to dog, then go and increment the count. That's it. So go and increment the count. Count equal to count plus 1, or I can write it down. It as count plus equal to 1 and the same thing. That's it. This is your answer, everyone. And return the count. Return count. So that's your function, everyone. That's how simple it is. Just check in your case also. Type it, everyone. Type it. Now I will type count dog. Let's say I am writing down this dog runs faster than that dog, and also dog is here. Something like this. Shift enter. So see, it has given me the output 1, 2, and 3. That's why the output is 3. So everyone, this is your function. Let me know if anyone is having any doubt in this. Whatever I have used, we already discussed that. Type, everyone, type. Even if you are not able to write down the function, do not worry. But at least whatever the answers I am giving you, please try to type that. That's why at the start only I said that I am expecting that everyone has joined the session from their laptop or desktop. Okay, everyone. Next question. I think no doubt in this, right? Everyone, next question, write on this. Use like solve this one. Use lambda expression and filter function to filter out the words from a list that do not start with letter S. That do not start with letter S. That means your output should be. See, everyone, your output should be like this. Dog. Sorry. Output should be dog, cat. Great. This is what the output we need. Not this one, everyone. Not this one. This is the output we need. Use lambda expression and filter function to filter out the words from the list that do not start with letter S. This is the list given to you. So I will send this particular list in the chat box. Everyone get this list and create the function. Create a function to filter out the words from this list that do not start with letter S. Okay, this is sequence given to you. So this is the sequence as given. Sequence is given. So you need to use a lambda expression and filter function to filter out the words that do not start with letter S. That means output should be dog, cat, and great. If anyone any confusion in the question, please let me know. This is the question. This is the question. Output should be dog, cat, and great. Dog, cat, and great. Now tell me, everyone. Do you want to solve it? Yes or no? If you want to solve it, I will give you some time. Otherwise, I will move forward. Okay, Nikki. Other people, I hope you also want to solve that, right? Simple thing. It's a like one line answer, everyone. One line answer. Just try it. If you don't try, you will not get anything. Try it. Yes, yes. Try it. Nikhil, Bhargav, Madhu, try this. This is the question. I hope other people are also able to understand the question. Okay, I think I am getting some answers. So Nikhil has written something. Let us check his answer here. Oh, you are writing down a function actually. We wanted to write down lambda expression. See, Nikhil, lambda expression is what we want to write down. We have written a function. We wanted lambda expression. Okay. Lambda expression, not function. Write down lambda expression. Till then I will say this. So lambda expression, I hope everyone remember the syntax of lambda expression. Lambda expression is anonymous function. So not starting with S. We want not starting with S. Okay, this is the output we want, but we want the output with lambda expression. Lambda expression and filter. This is function. Other people, not a single person able to write down lambda expression. See, still I am spending some time on the questions in the session itself. I am not even starting a new topic. Because I know that people are very busy and they will not try out all the things at home. That's why we are spending some time here itself. So at least try. Everyone at least try, even if it is wrong, no problem at all. Here everyone is to learn the things. So make mistakes and then learn. That is the best way to learn. Otherwise, if you have joined from the mobile phone, just at least for half an like 1.5 hour, just remove your what you can say with laziness, just keep it aside and join from the laptop and then do it. That will help you everyone. This is for you only. I know that like maybe some of you might be joining from mobile phone and then might be just lying on the bed and then trying to listen. This should not happen everyone. Join from the laptop. Like those who are joined from the laptop, that is good. This is for you. Please try to understand. And spending some time here on the questions also. So that at least you will go and you will type it. That's why typing is very, very important everyone. Believe me. So if someone is joined from the mobile phone, join from the laptop. Do not join from the mobile phone. You will not be able to do anything. Okay, so see everyone. Lambda expression. Lambda expression for filtering out the words from this particular list which are not starting with letter S. This is a list given to you. Simple thing everyone. See, lambda expression is, how do we write down lambda? X, any variable X. First letter how you will get? X of 0. So this X of 0 should not be equal to S. That's it. This is your lambda expression. Now apply this lambda expression onto sequence. That's it. Either you assign that lambda expression to some variable or do it like this. So they are only said that you use filter function. So use a filter function here, right? But if you do it like this, it will not give the answer. It will give the location. That's why what we can do is typecast it with a list or a tuple, and then you will get your answer. Your lambda can see your one line answer. Simple thing, one line answer. Practice, everyone, practice. Okay, so I think Bhargav has written some answer. X of 0, yes Bhargav, that is right. Or even you could have done it like this also, right? This particular lambda expression, you assign it to some variable. Whatever the lambda expression we have written, you can assign it to some variable also. And then, so x of 0 not equal to s, your lambda expression. Let's say I assign it to some variable L equal to this is the lambda expression. And then just go here and use filter of L comma that particular sequence. And then typecast it in a list or a tuple. That's it. This is your answer. So here it is said we want the elements, the words which are not starting with S. If we want the words which are starting with S, go here and do it as equal to S. And then run. And then once again run, you will get the answer for all the elements which are starting with S. That's it. That's how you can write on video. I hope other people are also able to understand this. Everyone, can you please confirm this? Everyone able to understand this?
सर एक बार वो फिल्टर से आगे का समझा सकते हो?
Filter, okay, this is nothing but lambda expression only. Whatever I have written after filter, that is lambda expression only. See, I will explain once again. What we want to do, the question is, we want to filter out the words from the sequence list which are not starting with S. Not starting with S means the first letter should not be S. First letter should not be S. So for that we want to write down lambda expression. This is a sequence given to you. Okay. Now see what I have written after filter. Actually, first of all, I have written lambda expression like this. Lambda, any variable v. This is how we written lambda expression. Lambda keyword space any variable. What we want to do? We want to check the first letter of every word. So that's a v of 0. V of 0 is going to give me the first letter, first index position. So v of 0 should not be equal to what? Should not be equal to S. That's it. This is your lambda expression. And this lambda expression I have written inside filter. So why filter? Because I want to apply this lambda expression onto SEQ. It means what? It means filter the elements from this according to this lambda expression. And as we know that filter will not give me a result like this, I need to typecast it either in a list or in a tuple. So I will use let's say list. And that's it. This is your answer. Now, is it clear? I think Dheeraj, you asked that question.
Yes, sir.
So, execute this everyone. I am again repeating, you execute it. Even if it takes time, don't worry. We will cover all the things, whatever are mentioned actually. Don't worry about it. I want everyone to type. I want everyone to type. Okay? Remember that.
Sir, lambda expression is used to select any word, no?
Lambda is a keyword actually. Lambda is a keyword. It means that it's a function without any name. It is not used to select any word actually. Word we are see this v is variable is used to select a word. V is actually referring to see v x whatever it is. That variable is actually referring to this particular element. So x will become soup, x will become dog, x will become salad, x will become cat, x will become grape. Or similarly, v will become soup. Now v if v is soup. Now you only tell me Dheeraj, if v is soup, what is v of 0? If v is soup, then what is v of 0?
Yes.
Yes, right? If v becomes dog, v of 0 will be what? D, right? First character. That's what we are doing. V is just a variable. Instead of this, even you can use your name also. So I mean to say any variable you can use. Instead of this V, I could have used anything. Let's say if I use your name, so what? So I will have to use like this. Dheeraj colon Dheeraj of 0 not equal to S. That will give me the answer. Just check it. See, it is running. Now are you getting my point? What is lambda?
सर बट अगर मैंने वो जीरो निकाल के उधर अगर दूसरा रख दिया 1 और 2 रख दिया तो वो 1 और 2
So
नंबर का चेंज
so
कर देगा
yes,
ना.
it will check for second position. O. It will check for second position. So in that case, if I ask you, show me all the words where the second character is O. So what I will do is 1. Let's say I will do here O. Second character is O, right? Just go here and let's make it as O. Then what it will do is it will give me the answer as soup and dog, because these are the only two. Because these are the only two elements where I have O as a second character. 0 job 1 0 1, right? Sequence. Okay, lambda cannot contain assignment. Sorry, it should be equal to. And then see, soup and dog I will get, because these are the only two words where second character is O. Are you getting my point? Indexing we have seen. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
I hope other people are also clear. I hope other people are also able to understand this. Remaining people, any doubt in this question? Any doubt, anything? Can you let me know? See, Nikhil, if you would have used map, what would have happened is map would have given you the answer as true false. Map would not have filtered these things out. You can use map, but map would have actually not given you the filtered thing. See, that's why you need to filter out the things, right? You need to get those things. So if you would have used map, see, it would have given you true false. For the word which is not starting with S, for that only it is going to give true. See, map. Are you getting my point? Map will give true false. It means you are going to map that particular lambda expression onto this particular sequence or a data. But filter, whenever you want to filter out something, go with filter. And in the question itself it was mentioned already, right? Use lambda expression and filter function to filter out the words from the list that do not start with letter S. That's how it is. I think other people are understanding, right? Other people, I can see 17, 18, 19 people are there. Yes, other people getting the point? Yes, Tejas, Shivani, Sanskriti, Samruddha, Pooja, Rohit, Prathamesh, Nilambari, Nikhil, Tanmayu, Nancy, Manas, Rishikesh, Bhargav, Ashwini, Ashlesha. I hope everyone is getting it. If there is no questions, I will expect that you people are getting the point. Yeah. Next thing, everyone. See, next question.
Sir,
Yes.
इसमें अगर मुझे if or else का इस्तेमाल करना हो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Yes. If else, with the help of if else, you will get the answer. With the help of if else also, you will get the answer. But the question was use lambda expression, right? With the help of if else also, you can get it. See, even someone has written the function also, right? See, someone has used the function also. Are you getting? See, here also he has used if and else. See, in the function for loop, I think Nikhil has written this. Are you getting there? See,
Yes sir.
that is possible. Try to type each and everything. You will remember it. You will understand it. Even though when we look at it, it seems to be very easy, but everyone will understand. Type it. You will you will feel that, and you will remember that for longer. Okay. Yes, definitely you can use. Here it is already used. One of you have only answered this. Okay. There are multiple ways to answer the same thing, but here it was particularly asked to write down the lambda expression and filter function. Okay, next question we will see now. Everyone just read this now. You are driving a little too fast and police officer stops you. Write a function to return one of three possible results. No ticket, small ticket or big ticket. If your speed is 60 or less, the result is no ticket. If speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive, the result is small ticket. If speed is 81 or more, the result is big ticket. Unless it's your birthday, which is encoded as a boolean value, that is true false in the parameter of the function, on your birthday your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. So everyone, if you haven't understood the question, I will explain. You need to write down a function in such a way that that function is going to accept two values. Let's say this is the function name speed underscore caught. Okay, what they are saying, you are driving too little fast, police officer stops you, write a function to get one of three possible results. Which are the possible which are the possible results they are saying? The first result they are saying should be no ticket. The second result they are saying that small ticket. Okay, and then big ticket. One of these possible results your function should be giving. Now when it should print no ticket, they are saying that if your speed is 60 or less, if the speed is less than or equal to 60, it should print no ticket. If speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive, that means if the speed is between 61 and 80, 61 and 80, right? 61 and 80 inclusive, then small ticket. And if the speed is greater than 81, right? 81 or more. 81 or more, that means like this. Then it should give me big ticket. Now what are they saying? These conditions are given. Along with that, they are saying that the function should accept two arguments. First argument is what is the speed, and the second argument is whether it's your birthday or not. That is true or false. True means it's your birthday, false means it's not your birthday. Right everyone? So see, if the speed is 81 and if it's your birthday, so they are saying that unless it's your birthday, on your birthday your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. That means 81, it's your birthday. That means 81 minus 5 will be what? 81 minus 5 will be 76. 76 is what? Small ticket. That's why it should give you small ticket. Are you getting my question? So if it would have been like this, 81 and false, then in this case it would have given me the answer as big ticket. Because false means it's not your birthday. So 5 higher speed is not allowed to you. If it's your birthday, 5 higher speed is allowed. Otherwise not. Now tell me everyone, any question in the question? Any doubt about the question itself? It is given here everyone, see. 81 or more, right? 81 and if it's your birthday, so it should give you small ticket because 81 minus 5 I will do because it's your birthday. 81 and false, it should give you big ticket because it is not your birthday, so you cannot subtract 5 from this. 5 higher speed is not allowed. Tell me everyone, have you understood the question? First of all, have you understood the question? Other people, have you understood the question? I can see only one reply. Other people, have you understood the question? Okay. So I will just try to show that for the group. Just take a look. Can you write down the answer? Okay. Okay. So I think people are saying that they are able to understand the question. Still, if anyone is having any doubt, please let me know. Okay. So everyone, just take 5 minutes, I think, and write down the answer. Okay. Just take 5 minutes and write down the answer. This is your question. It's 12:39. I will give 5 minutes. Sorry, 14:39. I will give 15:44. Everyone tried. Everyone tried. Okay, I got one answer here. Let me check it out. Still has sent it. Let us see. Let me copy this. I think indentation is what I need to take care. Everyone just see this and other people, if they are also writing down, continue with that and send your answer also. Let's see this. So he is writing down speed underscore plot, indentation should be there. Here should be indentation. Okay, if and then ellipse should be here. Return big ticket, and where are you taking care for? Okay, speed less than equal to 60, no ticket. 60 no ticket. Okay, let's see. End of file, big ticket. It should be speed underscore cot. Let's say same example I will do. Okay, speed is let's say 81 and it's not your birthday. So what I should get? False. Big ticket, right? Fine. Speed underscore caught. Here I should get 81 comma let's say true. So I should get what? Small ticket. Yes, fine. Speed underscore caught. Let's say I will write down 60 comma it's your birthday. So no ticket, right? Here it is fine. Speed underscore caught 88 comma let's say it's your birthday. So here also big ticket I should get 88 comma true. So 88 minus 5 is what? 83. Nikhil, I should have got big ticket here, right? Here I should have got big ticket. Just check it. Because 88 is your birthday and it's your birthday, right? So 81 or more. So 88 minus 5 is what? 83. You should have got big ticket. Yes, you should have got big ticket, right? 88 minus 5 is what? 83. And 83 is greater than 81. See, if speed is 81 or more, the result is big ticket. So 88 minus 5 is 83. You should have got big ticket here. Yeah, birthday is true. That's why I am subtracting 5. That's why I am subtracting 5 from this. So 88 minus 5 if you do, still you will get 83. And 83 is greater than 81. And as it is greater than 81, you should have got big ticket. See, if it is greater than 81, you should have got big ticket. Even if it is true, but 88 minus 5 is 83. 83 is bigger, right? So here, I think you are getting my point. You should have got big ticket. In that case also, you should have got big ticket. You don't get it. See, the question is, if your speed is 88, okay, and if it's your birthday, higher speed is allowed for you. That means 88 minus 5 will be what? 83. Now you tell me, 83 is it not greater than 81? So if it is greater than 81, what are they saying? If it is greater than 81, the result is big ticket. See, big ticket. Simple thing. And not only this, even if let's say I would have written speed as 100, and your speed as 100 and it's your birthday. In this case also you should have got the big ticket, because 100 minus 5 is 95 only, which is greater than 81, but still you are getting small ticket. Are you getting my point? If the remaining speed is greater than 81, you should get big ticket. That's it. Yes, in this case it is 81 minus 5, 76. That's why you have got small ticket. Are you getting my point? So this condition you need to check. See, what you have done, speed is greater than equal to 81 and birthday equal to 2. So it is like you need to consider all the conditions. Are you getting? Okay. So see everyone, whatever he has tried, that is good. I hope other people might have tried. See everyone, you can write it down in different ways, or otherwise you can make the changes here itself in this function also. If speed is less than, so he has actually checked for, so he directly given the value here. You need to take the value from the user. Okay, birthday. So if birthday is true. So what's happening in your case is, in this case let's say 88 and true. So speed is 88, birthday is true. So speed is 88 means it is going here, and birthday is true. So that's why it is printing small ticket. Let me show you. See, that's why I ask you people whether you people have understood the question or not. See everyone, you find, let's say, whatever the name you want to give. Okay, catch underscore speed. What is the first thing? Speed. What is the next thing? Is it your birthday or not? Any variable you can use. Any variable. Is your birthday or not? Speed is birthday. So first of all, we will check for let's say birthday or not, right? Whether it's a birthday or not. So I will do it like this: if is underscore birthday, that means if birthday is true, If it's birthday, then let's say new speed. Okay, new speed is equal to original speed minus 5 higher is allowed. That's it. This is what you need to do. Otherwise, new speed you consider it as older speed. Don't subtract 5. That is the thing. So we are taken care for what? We taken care for the first condition, that is birthday or not. And that's it, everyone. Now check for new speed. Now if new speed, I will go it for like this. If the new speed is greater than 80, then what? Return what? Big ticket. That's it. Return big ticket. Elif, because we have another thing. Elif, new speed is greater than 60. Then what? Then return small ticket. Otherwise, whatever is the condition, else return no ticket. That's it. This is your answer. What your answer is. Check it, everyone, now. Catch underscore speed. Let's suppose 88 comma what was that, true. So it should give me big ticket. It should give me big ticket. Yes, it is giving me big ticket. Right. So who has written it? 88 comma 2. What it is giving you, Mayur? 88 comma 2. 88 comma 2 is giving you what, Mayur? 81 comma false true. 81 comma 2 is small ticket, big ticket. 88 comma 2 should give you what? It should give you, right? Yes, fine. Yes, fine, Mayur. Okay. So these are very common questions, everyone. I hope everyone is able to solve this. Okay. Mayur, have you written it or what? Like, have you taken screenshot or what? Okay, I think you taken a screenshot, right? So I am going to save it. You taken a screenshot of this one, Mayur, right? Yes, no? Answer, everyone. These are like very common examples, everyone. Very common examples. You taken a screenshot, I think, Mayur, right? Mayur? Bhargav has also written something. This will also, I think, be true. Let me check this. What Bhargav has written. So what is the name he has given? Caught underscore speeding. So let's say speed is 81 and it's not the birthday, then it should give it big ticket. Yes, Bhargav, that is also right. Fine, fine. It's not like that your answer should be same. It is fine. Give me what? Small ticket. Okay. So this is 88 comma 2 should give me big ticket. So yes, everyone, see, this is also another answer. It only depends on how you actually do it. Is it fine? I don't know, Mayur, I think you have taken the screenshot. Okay, Mayur is saying done it on my laptop. Bhargav, it is right. Any doubt, anyone in this question? Any doubt? Tell me, everyone, any doubt? Other people, remaining people, tell me. In the chat box, you can see all the answers people have written. I also send the answer in the chat box. So any doubt, anyone? Any question? It is simply if and else and elif. If, elif and else statement. That's it. When you will try out this answer, everyone, you need to take care for the indentation. Remember that. So any doubt, anyone, can you please let me know? Yes, no, understand, like understood, not understood, what? Okay. Other people, any doubt? Are you doing it or not? Okay. Okay. So I hope those people who are not replied, I think they are able to understand it. That's what I will expect. Okay. Yes, everyone, this question now. Just take this. Given a string, print number num by extracting all the digits from the string as in string. Print negative number if the first character in the string is minus. These are all the questions which are based on basics of Python, whatever we have seen till now. Okay, whatever the basics we have seen. Just understand what is this question. See, it means that you need like you are either you write on a function or whatever. You need to get the input from the user. Let's say if user has entered something like this, DEF23. This is the string user has entered. So your output should be 23. If user has entered ABC 56, let's say EF, your output should be 56. That means from the input, your code should be able to get only numbers. You should be able to fetch only numbers. Let's say user has entered 48 XYZ. Output should be what, everyone? 48. Let's say user has entered AB 48 XY 49. Output should be 48 49. But with this thing they are also given print negative number if the first character is dash. It means if the string is starting with dash, let's say AB and 68, answer should be dash 68. Let's say it is dash let's say XY 79, let's say CD 49, answer should be minus 7949. That means dash 7949. So it means if the string is starting with dash, that dash should be kept as it is. If that dash is in between here, then don't worry, answer should be 78. But if the dash is at the start, that dash should be kept as it is. This is the question here. So see, if this is the input, this should be the output. Minus 123 ABCD, this is the input, this is the output. If this is the input, ABCD 456, 456 should be the output. If input is like this, FDH, FH, 7, 8, DS, output should be 7, 8, 8, 9. If this is the input minus 5, 6, some alphabet, some characters, some letters and then 78, then output should be this one. Minus sign, this dash should be kept as it is if it is at the start. This is the question area. Now tell me, anyone any doubt in this question itself? Any doubt in the question? This was the question asked in one of the interviews for fresher based on Python. Okay, so can you try this? You need to get the input from the user and then fetch the numbers from that input. Numbers. But if the input is starting with dash, that dash should be kept as it is. Okay? That dash should be kept as it is. This is what you need to do. Okay? So, yes, everyone try this. Those who want to try. I am expecting other people also participate. If any problem, anyone just let me know. If you are not getting anything, I am going very slow. Step by step, we are going everything. Other people try this, everyone. Now it's not compulsory that you should add a function, just need to get the answer. Okay. I'm expecting some people at least try this area, no? Try this and again repeat. Even if it is wrong, no problem. Okay, so I think no one is there who has not understood the question. Okay, everyone, I think 5 minutes is more than enough for this. Anyway, see, everyone, at least you understood the question, right? What we need to do? Okay, I think I'm getting number but not negative ones. Okay, send it, Bhargav, send it, no problem. Whatever it is, send it. We will try to modify it, no problem. Okay. So let us say this one. Okay, this is what Bhargav has written. See, I am expecting at least other people have able to they are able to understand the question. Interesting int I for I in string dot split if I dot is digit. Okay, okay. So you have used this digit, right? So here this will give the answer. Like this will give the digits actually. Oh, this is giving me empty string str of num. Bhargav, it is printing empty string. It is printing empty string. Anyway, see everyone. The input from the user we have seen with the help of input function. And whatever we accept with the help of input function, the data type of that is always what? Str, string. So enter the input. Let's say we say enter the input. Always remember, whatever you accept with the help of input function, the data type of that variable is always going to be string. Okay, s is equal to input. So if I run it, see, if I check out 45, so see everyone, what is the value of s? It will be 45, but it is a string, everyone. It is a string. Remember this. This is how input function actually works. Whatever the value which we accept with the help of input function, the data type of the variable is always going to be str. Okay. Now we accepted the value. Now see, I want to fetch numbers, right? So I will take a variable num. I will create empty string like this. Now I know that every value, every number consists of either 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every digit consists of 0 to 9 only. There is no other thing. Every number is having 0 to 9 at least. Every number is possible with all these things. So I have created a list of this. Okay, I have created a list called as A. Okay, I have created a list called as A. Now maybe I can check it out if S is empty or not. We can check, because maybe it might be possible that user might not enter anything at all. So that's why what we will do is we will check whether S is empty. If it is empty, we will ask user to enter something. So something like this, okay, enter something like this I am asking user. Otherwise, now we will go else. Now we will go and we will check the first character, whether it is dash or not. So else, in else I can have if. In else I can have if. If s is my input, s of 0 means first character, equal to what? Dash. So if it is dash, then it should be there in the answer, that is num. So I will simply go and concatenate it with the num. So num equal to whatever is the num earlier, it was simply empty. Num equal to num plus s of 0, that is first character. This is concatenation, everyone. We have already seen concatenation. Okay. So it means I am saying that if the input string is starting with dash, you keep that particular dash as it is. Don't change it. That is one thing. And now the next thing is I will use a for loop. For some character in S, means for some character in S, it means what? Let's say the input is something like this: X, Y, 4, 5, D, E. Okay. So for some character in S, it means S will, for some character C in S, that means C will point to X, C will point to Y, C will point to 4, C will point to 5, and then D and then E. So for some C in S, because this is our S, for that what are we doing? We are trying to check if that particular C is also present in A or not. If that C is present in A, but see everyone, what is A? A is numeric. What is C? C is character, because it is from string. That's why what I will have to do is I will have to typecast this A as str. I hope people are getting the point why I have done it like this. Because you cannot compare a number that is A with C, that is character. That's why I have typecasted it. Typecast means converting one data type to another. And that's it, everyone. If for C in S, if that C is present in A, then we will do num equal to num plus C. And finally, print that num. Whatever is the num we have got, print that. That's it. This is your answer. See now, you give it anything input. Let's say A, B, C, D, 56, and then E, Y, and then 67. Now see, 5, 6, 6, 7 should answer. Even if you want to check it for negatives, it will give me the answer. Dash A, B, 4 5, it will give minus 4 5. If the dash is in between, then don't do anything. AB dash 5 6, JK 67, that dash should not be considered. If it is at the start, then only it should be considered, otherwise not. This was the question asking one of the interviews actually, for fresher only. Now let me know everyone, any doubt in this question? First of all, I ask you whether you have any doubt in the question itself. Okay, now tell me any doubt in the answer. Still, if you have not understood the question, you can ask. I am ready to repeat any number of times. I am ready to repeat any number of times. Just let me know everyone if you are not able to understand anything of this. Is it clear everyone? Any doubt? Is it clear? Tell me, is it clear? Yes, no?
सर
Yes.
आपने ए पे जब ए को एक डिफाइन किया ना, इन नंबरों के अलावा दूसरा तो होगा नहीं, इसलिए ये नंबर डाल दिया। उसके आगे वो जो यस के आगे जो समझा है ना, वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा।
See, what we had done is, अभी हमने क्या किया है कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना, देखो ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि मैंने इसको रन किया और अभी एक्सपेक्टेड क्या है कि यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ एंटर करना चाहिए ना। अरे गेटिंग माय पॉइंट धीरज, यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ इनपुट देना चाहिए ना, लेकिन कुछ लोग होंगे कि वो इनपुट देंगे ही नहीं। हम भी करते हैं ना ऐसे, आप एक एप्लीकेशन वगैरह सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह कंप्यूटर यूज करते हो तो वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है इनपुट, लेकिन मैंने उसको इनपुट नहीं दिया, सिर्फ एंटर प्रेस किया तो सी वो क्या बोल रहा है, एंटर समथिंग। ये मैंने क्यों किया, एक्सेप्शन है, लाइक कुछ लोग होते हैं इनपुट नहीं देंगे तो उनके लिए मैंने ये करके रखा है। अरे गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, ये अगर नहीं भी किया होता तो नो प्रॉब्लम।
और ये एल्स का एक बार समझो।
एल्स में क्या किया, अगर उसने कुछ एंटर किया, ठीक, अगर कुछ एंटर नहीं किया तो ये प्रिंट कर देगा, राइट, और अगर कुछ एंटर किया तो ये यहाँ पे जाएगा। तो एस हमारा क्या है, लेट से सी, लेट से सपोज मेरा एस है अभी ए बी सी डी एंड 78, तो एस क्या हो गया, ए बी सी डी 78। नाउ एस ऑफ 0 क्या है बताओ मुझे, एस ऑफ 0 इज व्हाट, ए, तो ए डैश है क्या,
नो
नहीं है, तो ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा, ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा। नम में क्या है, नम में कुछ भी नहीं है, तो नम में कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि एस ये डैश नहीं है, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर डैश नहीं है, तो इसलिए फिर कंट्रोल यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। ठीक है, अब ये क्या बोल रहा है, फॉर सी इन एस, फॉर लूप कैसे वर्क होता है पता है, एस क्या है हमारा, ए बी सी डी 78, ये हमारा एस है। फॉर सी इन एस मतलब फॉर सी इन एस, फॉर सी इन एस मतलब C will become A, C will become B, C will point to C, C will point to D, C will point to 7, C will point to 8। तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, देखो यहाँ पे फॉर C in S, सबसे पहले C क्या बनेगा, A, मतलब वो चेक करेगा कि फॉर A in S if that A, for A in S if that A is present in A, मतलब इसमें, इसको मैंने क्या कर दिया, स्ट्रिंग कर दिया। आप मुझे बताओ कि ये A इसमें है क्या प्रेजेंट, ये
नहीं,
A नहीं है, तो वो क्या करेगा, नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर के लिए चेक करेगा, फिर B के लिए चेक करेगा। अभी मुझे बताओ B इसमें प्रेजेंट है,
नो,
अभी C के लिए चेक करेगा, C इसमें प्रेजेंट है,
नो,
नहीं, D भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, 7 प्रेजेंट है इसमें, 7,
यस,
तो 7 है, तो अगर प्रेजेंट है तो इफ इट इज देन व्हाट इट इज सेइंग, नम इक्वल टू, नम की वैल्यू क्या थी, एम्प्टी प्लस 7। अब मुझे बताओ इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, एम्प्टी प्लस 7 का रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, ये स्ट्रिंग है, ये भी स्ट्रिंग है, इसका रिजल्ट क्या है,
समझा नहीं सर, क्या क्या पूछ
नहीं
रहे थे
नहीं
आप?
इसका मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग ये तो पता है आपको, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग बोलते हैं।
यस सर।
हाँ, और ये क्या है, ये 7 पॉइंट, इसका डेटा टाइप क्या है 7 का?
7 का
7 का डेटा टाइप क्या है?
नंबर।
नंबर कैसे क्या रहेगा, मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है ना कि जो भी हम सिंगल कोट या डबल कोट में लिखते हैं वो स्ट्रिंग होता है ना। अगर मैं
हाँ
इसको
यस।
ऐसे लिखता हूँ तो ये नंबर है, कि जैसे हमने डेटा टाइप देखे थे ना पहले।
यस सर।
तो व्हाट इज द डेटा टाइप ऑफ दिस 7?
स्ट्रिंग।
नहीं, अभी मुझे बताओ इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, 2 + 3, इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? इसका रिजल्ट क्या है?
5 आएगा ना।
नहीं ना, आप यही तो गलती कर रहे हो, ये
780।
स्ट्रिंग है, ये स्ट्रिंग है। इसका रिजल्ट आएगा 2 3। स्ट्रिंग प्लस स्ट्रिंग है तो कॉन्केटिनेशन, मतलब आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो। इसका रिजल्ट 5 आएगा धीरज। ये स्ट्रिंग है ना, ये स्ट्रिंग है। अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, स्ट्रिंग, ये कॉन्केटिनेशन है। समझ रहा है क्या?
ओके सर।
ये कॉन्केटिनेशन है, स्ट्रिंग प्लस स्ट्रिंग इज कॉन्केटिनेशन, नंबर प्लस नंबर इज एडिशन, ये एडिशन है, ये कॉन्केटिनेशन है। तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा फिर, नल प्लस 7, नॉट नल, एम्प्टी प्लस 7,
7 आएगा सर।
7 आएगा 7। तो नम की वैल्यू क्या होगी आपकी अभी, नम की वैल्यू होगी आपकी 7। ओके, उसके बाद सी क्या बनने वाला है अभी, 8। इज 8 प्रेजेंट हियर इन दिस 8, इज 8 प्रेजेंट हियर?
यस सर।
यस। तो अभी वो क्या बोल रहा है, फिर से नम इक्वल टू नम प्लस सी करो। सो नम इक्वल टू, व्हाट इज द अर्लियर वैल्यू ऑफ नम, 7, राइट। और व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ सी नाउ, 8 है ना सी की वैल्यू।
8।
तो अभी
हाँ,
मुझे
तो
इसका
वो
रिजल्ट
सब
बताओ, क्या आ जाएगा?
7 होता है।
7 है क्या?
78।
हाँ, तो इसलिए आपका रिजल्ट 78 आ जाएगा। अगर आपको देखना है यहाँ पे, चेक करना है तो यू कैन चेक इट आउट। फिर से एक बार हम लोग इसे सॉल्व, ये स्टार दिखा रहा है, मतलब इनफाइनाइट लूप में गया है। अब स्टॉप इट, रीस्टार्ट। ओके, सो रन इट। यहाँ पे रन होगा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे रन होगा है, तो ऐसा कुछ आउटपुट दिया था, इनपुट दिया था ABCD 7 8, एंटर। तो सिर्फ इसका आउटपुट 78 आ जाएगा। धीरज बेसिक क्लियर चाहिए। यहाँ पे देखो इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा धीरज, आप मुझे बता सकते हो क्या, व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस वन, AB। अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करता हूँ AB, और इसका रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा मुझे बताओ।
AB 78।
तो ये कॉन्केटिनेशन है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्केटिनेशन। व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस वन, लेट्स से यहाँ पे मैं D करता हूँ, और यहाँ पे और लेट्स से और D, और इसका रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा?
उधर B B।
व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस वन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर करता हूँ तो क्या आ जाएगा?
D 5।
5 टाइम्स D, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन मतलब ये कॉन्केटिनेशन ही है ना। अरे गिरी में अपन 5 टाइम्स D मतलब D प्लस D प्लस D प्लस D प्लस D, राइट।
यस सर।
इसका रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा, अभी मुझे बताओ इसका रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा?
माइनस नहीं, A माइनस B आएगा।
A माइनस B कैसे आएगा,
A B आएगा।
A B कैसे आएगा? इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, 5 माइनस 4।
5 4।
5 4 कैसे आएगा, ये माइनस है ना, ये प्लस किया था हमने पहले।
हाँ
5 4 तो कॉन्केटिनेशन का आएगा ना, ये कॉन्केटिनेशन नहीं है, ये नेगेटिव साइन है ना। तो देखो स्ट्रिंग माइनस स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ये एरर देगा आपको। स्ट्रिंग माइनस स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ये भी एरर देगा। डेटा टाइप आप हमेशा चेक करो, डेटा टाइप। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट धीरज? सी,
यस सर।
string plus string is possible, string into integer is possible, string minus string is not possible, String divided by string is not possible. अभी आपको string क्या है पता है ना? It's a data type.
Yes, sir.
It's a data type. और कुछ डाउट है अभी?
No, sir.
प्रैक्टिस करो अभी अगर अभी भी आप क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं कर सकते तो नो प्रॉब्लम, बट एटलीस्ट जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना आप रिपीट करो.
Yes, sir.
टाइप करो टाइप. अदर पीपल एनी डाउट? Other people tell me, how would I come to know, right, if you are getting it or not? There are only two situations in which you will not be having question. Either you got everything or you haven't got everything. Other people tell me fast. If you have doubt, you can ask everyone, like, please tell me everyone fast. Remaining people. Yes, Ashwini, Samruddha, Dakshata, Mayur, Tejal, Nilambari, no doubt. Huh? Yash, okay then, everyone okay then, I'm asking you, fine then, it's good. If you have okay, if you don't have any doubt, then it is good. Next question, everyone. See now, everyone see this particular question. Check it out. This one. Write a program to check whether a number is palindrome or not on the following condition. Initially, only let me tell you. Everyone understand palindrome? Everyone, do you understand palindrome? Palindrome, do you understand? Yes, no, can you unmute and let me know, or just let me know in the chat box. Yes, right? Palindrome. Everyone understand palindrome. Reverse and the original is same. Right? Reverse and the original is same. That is palindrome. So write a program to check whether a number is palindrome or not on following conditions. Take the input number, add number and its reverse, check that number is palindrome or not, and if not, then sum and its reverse, and continue this. See everyone, I will explain you what is this question. I will explain you what is this question, everyone, and then let me know whether you understood the question or not. So the question is, you need to take the input from the user. Let's say user has entered 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then they are saying you reverse it. 3, 2, 1. And then add the reverse and the original number. And whatever the addition you are getting, you check that whether it's a palindrome or not. If it's a palindrome, print it. Okay. If it's a palindrome, then print it. If the addition is palindrome, then print it. Okay. Let's suppose user has entered something like 78. Take the reverse of this. 5. Right? 15. 16. Is this a palindrome? No. Take the reverse of this. 5, 6, 1. 6. 12. 7. Is it a palindrome? No. Go on doing like this. So I will give an example everyone. See. Let's suppose you take the input from the user has entered 88. Now what is the reverse of 88? Reverse of 88 is 88 only. Then add this. What is the addition? 6. 176. Is it a palindrome? No. Then your output should be like this. Number is 176. What is the reverse? 671. Then add this. Then your output should be reverse is 671. Then what is this? 6 plus 1, 7. 14. 847. Is it a palindrome? No. Then it should print. Number is 847. Reverse is 748. 748. 8 plus 7, 15. 9. This is 9, and then this is what? 15. Is it a palindrome? No. You should print number is 1595. What is the reverse? Reverse is 5951. 5951. What is this? 6. 14. This is 14 plus 1, 15. This is what? 7. 7546. Is it a palindrome? No. Then you should print number is. Number is 7546. It's not a palindrome. So reverse is 6457. Okay? 6457. This is what? 13. This is what? 10. 10. 14. Is it a palindrome? No. Print it. Number is 14003. What is the reverse? Reverse is 30041. 30041. Add this. 4, 4, 0, 4, 4. Is it a palindrome? Yes, it's a palindrome. And then print palindrome is 44044. Everyone, this is what you need to do. Your code should go on doing like this till you get the palindrome. Now you might be having a question. Is it like that every time we are going to get the palindrome? Yes, 100% you will get it. It has been already mathematically proved that if you add a number and its reverse again and again, one time will definitely come that you will get a palindrome. Now tell me, any doubt in the question? Everyone tell me fast, any doubt in the question? Input should be only number, right? See, yes, it should be a number only. No, not necessary. Not necessary, because if you are taking the input with the help of input function, it is going to string. It is going to be str. It depends on you, Nikhil. Either you take it as a number or a string, it depends on you. I want this answer. Is it clear, Nikhil? Whether it's a string or a number, you take it. But if I am saying addition, so addition should be done with numbers only. It should not be a concatenation. Okay? Other people, I am asking you, any doubt in the question? Any doubt in the question? Tell me. Any doubt in the question? Other people? Rohit is saying no, Bhargav is saying no, Nikhil is saying no, Manas is saying no. Other people, fast. Tell me, any doubt in the question? Dheeraj, any doubt in the question? Yes, other people are not interested to solve the question. Okay, I don't know about other people. Okay, I got the reply. So see everyone, it is 16:27, right? I will give 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, the person who will solve, I will give 100 rupees cash prize. 100 is very small amount, I know. Later on, I will increase it. 100 rupees cash prize you will get if you solve this particular question. If you give me this answer, 10 minutes I will give you. Your time starts now. Is it okay, everyone? I hope. You just send your Google Pay, Phone Pay number, and instantly I will transfer 100 rupees. A small amount. Okay? So 10 minutes, everyone. It is 16:28. Exact 10 minutes. I will wait. So start everyone. You have 10 minutes. Everyone, 2 minutes are remaining. Only 2 minutes. Questions based on whatever we have seen till now, nothing new. Last 1 minute is remaining. So I think my 100 rupees will be saved. Thank you for that. You people have saved my 100 rupees. Yes, time is done. Everyone, time is done. Thank you for saving my 100 rupees. But still, anyone has written something? Anyone tried? Or can you do it in 1 or 2 minutes? Like that? Anyone? Yes, no. Yes, no, anyone? Okay, have you tried, Nikhil? Have you tried? So, can you send it, whatever you have tried? I was able to add them up, but not able to put that in those. Okay, Bhargav, okay. No problem, at least you tried. No problem at all. You will get more chances again. But this time, I think you saved my money. I don't know other people. What are you doing? Okay, Nikhil has written something. Okay, but I don't know if it's right. No problem at all. Even if it is wrong, no problem. At least if people are trying. So let's go here. Let's try to do this. None equal to str of input enter. Okay, fine. Reverse. Fine, fine. Num colon minus num equal to num. Okay, input. Okay, if str sum equal to. Okay. Okay, if you have used if statement actually. API only I will enter. So not palindrome. No. Anyway, some of these things you have done right. Anyway, Nikhil, no problem. At least you tried. So I think only 2 people have tried. Other people, maybe they might be knowing the answer. That's why. Other people might be knowing the answer. I think that is the case. Anyway, everyone, I am again asking anyone any doubt in the question. Anyone, any doubt in the question? Have you understood the question? Because now I will tell you how to get this. How to get this? Even see, I have shown you very small number. You enter whatever the big number you want. It is going to show you all these things. Number reverse, and so on till you get the palindrome. Anyone, any doubt in the question? At least that you can tell me. Other people, any doubt in the question? No? Okay. So see everyone, I will tell you what to do in this case. First of all, you need to accept a number from the user. Let's say number 1. How to accept the number from the user? So the same thing, whatever like people have done it, same way. Okay, same way. Now, okay, so Bhargav has done something. Is it giving you the answer, Bhargav? Is it giving you the answer or what? No, sir, it's still okay. No problem. No problem at all. This is what Bhargav has done. No problem at all. At least you tried it. Number is a palindrome. Okay, this is what it is giving you. Anyway, we will do it. No problem. But understand it. At least you know that we need to go and you need to use for loop and if condition. So that is good. At least you pointed that out. So see, I will get the input from the user. Enter the number. Okay, enter the number. Everyone, we will be developing applications also. Like more interesting applications will be developing, and you will be able to understand those things if you actually make practice of all these things. At least those people who are not doing, those people who join from the mobile phone, like I will recommend that you go and you actually at least repeat these things. Maybe like once you see the recording, let's say, at that time at least go and repeat it. Type it. Okay. So see, num1 is enter the number we are accepting from the user. Now you know that whatever we accept from the user, the data type of that particular thing is always going to be what? str, string. I already shown it to you, right? Whatever you enter, it is going to be string, and if it's a string, you can, if you do string plus string, just now we have seen that it is going to be concatenation, right? This is what your num1 is everyone. And if you go and if you try to check the type of this num1, it is going to be str. Okay, let me delete this, let me delete this. Why am I showing you? Because I have seen that people, I think they are confused. And one more point everyone, you cannot reverse a number, you can actually reverse a string, you cannot reverse a number. So I can get the reverse of that num1 in num2. How to take the reverse of num1? Num1 colon colon minus 1, we have already seen this one in case of string. Just take it, if num1 is let's say 56, if num1 is 56, it's a string, I am again repeating. Num2 is going to be what? Exactly opposite of that, 65, but it's a string, it's not a number. Right? We got the strings. Now the third thing we want to do what? We want to do the addition of this. So I will do num1 plus num2. But see everyone, if you do num1 plus num2, it will not be addition, it is going to be what? Concatenation. You can check it out. If num1 is 56, num2 will be 65 and num3 will be what? 5665. Because it is going to be concatenation. But do we want concatenation? No, we want addition. But addition is done for numbers. That's why you need to do typecasting. So num2 I will typecast it as a number here. Okay everyone, after taking the reverse I will typecast it as a number. So num2 is number. And while doing the addition here, I will typecast this num1 also. So int of num1 I will do, and then plus num2. Now I will get the addition. Now I will get the addition. You can take that particular thing also, Bhargav. No problem at all. You can take it like that also. But why I not done it like this? Because if num1 is an integer, can you reverse that? Bhargav, are you getting why I have not done it directly? because otherwise I would not have been able to do this one, because I told you that we are able to take the reverse of only string. If I would have converted everything into number here itself, I would not have been able to take the reverse of that. That is the reason. I think you are getting my point. Okay. So int of num1 plus num2. Num2 is already a number. Num1 we actually typecast it into number. Now I will get the addition. Now see everyone. If num1 is 56, see num1 is 56, num2 will be 65, but this time num2 is what? Num2 is actually a number, and num3 will be addition of 56 plus 65, 121, because we are typecasting it. Just check it out. Okay, so obviously the reason is that we cannot reverse a number, we reverse only string. That's why we are doing it like this. And now see everyone, what you need to check? You just need to check whether num3 and the reverse of num3. Now how to take the reverse of num3? Again num3 is a number, you cannot take the reverse of num3. So you need to typecast it again. Okay, so what you actually need to do is, as we want to typecast num3 into string, so I will do it here. After doing the addition, I will typecast it, because after this I am going to take the reverse of it, because I need to check whether num3 is, unless and until this num3 not equal to reverse of num3. Now I can take the reverse of num3, because num3 is a string now. Here I have taken care for typecasting. Here I have taken care for typecasting. Okay, it's a string. So num3, while num3 not equal to num3 colon colon minus 1, what I want to do is, I want to go on adding num3 and its reverse. So num3 is equal to num3 plus reverse of num3. But again, reverse of num3 is going to be what? Concatenation. We do not want to do the concatenation. We actually want to do the addition. And that's why here, while doing the addition, I will typecast it. Int of num3. If you do not get it, try to spend some time on this later on. Okay, and this one also you need to typecast everyone, because number plus number will give you addition, string plus string will give you concatenation. Okay, now num3 has become a number. It has become a number, but after adding that, I am again going to convert it into str, because finally I again need to take the reverse, and reverse I can take only for string. That's why I am doing typecasting like this area, and that's it, done. Print it. What is the number? Number is present in number is present where? Number is present in num3 variable. Then what you need to do? Print reverse is. So if it's not a palindrome, it is going to do all these things again and again. So I will do reverse is. What is the reverse of num3? The reverse of num3 is going to be, so let's see, like this I will write on. 3 colon colon minus 1. Everyone. And if this condition is satisfied, like if this condition is not satisfied, it will come out of the while loop, and if it is coming out of the while loop, print. It's a palindrome, that means they are equal. Then print palindrome is, that's it. Palindrome is what? Again num3, if it is going to come out of the while loop. Let me check if everything is right. 88, same example. See, I got the answer. Number is this, reverse is this, number is this, reverse is this. Till you get the palindrome. Just check it. Now, whatever the big number is, you will get the answer. Obviously, it should be number. If I make it a bigger, actually, it will go in infinite loop. See it. So I may be in, say, first case itself, I got the palindrome here. Something like this. Okay. Let me enter some other number, something like, shift enter, and something like this. Now see, it will give me everything. You will get a palindrome. Just reverse this. 158. I just enter any random number. It will give me answer, because it is mathematically already proved that if you go on adding the number and its reverse, you are definitely going to get the palindrome. Now tell me everyone, those who understood the question, Any doubt in the answer? So in your program, Nikhil, in your program you are actually not checking out for printing the reverse and all those things. See, I think which one you have sent? This one, right? This one. First of all, your program is not giving the correct answer. This is what you had done, Nikhil, right? First of all, 88 is a palindrome, it should give you palindrome. What are you doing here? You are taking the input. Why are you doing it STR? By default it is STR only. See, whatever we accept with the help of input, by default the data type of that number is, data type of that variable is always going to be STR only. So no need to do this. It is already STR and you are converting into again STR. Okay. Second thing is you are taking the reverse, fine. Then int of num and then int of reverse, fine. You got the sum. If str of sum equal to str of, now see what are you doing. So do not give this bracket here. It should be like this. Okay. Sum of colon minus 1. And why are you converting it into str? Actually, it's already str, right? Again, same thing. You do it like this. Int object is not subscriptable. So the problem is here you should have converted into str. Are you getting my point? Here you should have converted into str. Because you cannot take the reverse. You cannot take the reverse of a number and it was a number. That's why you should typecast this whole thing into str. And then you take the reverse. But again it is going to cause a problem actually. See, not a palindrome, again it is giving me. Now are you getting my point, Nikhil? That was a problem. Again you are using if condition only. So if you are using if, that means it will run only one time. We want it to run again and again till that particular condition is not satisfied. So you should be going with while loop. Like I think Bhargav has tried to use while loop. While loop should be used because you need to perform something again and again. You need to check out some condition again and again. Right? So I hope you people are getting my point. So this is the good example. It is going to tell you when to make use of while loop and when to make use of for loop. And when to make use of a if condition. Just check it everyone. Just run it in your case and you will be able to get the answer. If you are going to enter a bigger number, it will show you the palindrome definitely. It will definitely show you the palindrome. But if it's a very big number, maybe you will end up like in infinite loop and maybe your machine will hang. That's why if you are entering a very big number, just make sure that go and restart. Okay. Yes, Dheeraj. What was your question? Any doubt?
सर वो आपने नम3 के आगे 2 बार प्रिंट जो लिखा है वो इसलिए है ना कि कौन सा नंबर ऐड हुआ वो दिखना चाहिए.
कौन सा वाला नंबर बोल रहे हो? ये वाला?
हाँ उसके आगे जो 2 प्रिंट है ना.
हाँ, ये तो सिर्फ मैंने ये तो इसके लिए प्रिंट किया. ये मैं एक प्रिंट भी लिख सकता था, एक प्रिंट भी लिख सकता था. सो दिस इज जस्ट टू प्रिंट द ओरिजिनल नंबर एंड इट्स रिवर्स. मतलब ये देखो, ये नंबर और उसका रिवर्स, नंबर और इसका रिवर्स, ये हमेशा रन होने वाला है जब तक कि ये सेटिस्फाई, ये डिससेटिस्फाई नहीं होता. मतलब जब तक ये कंडीशन चलता रहेगा तब तक ये प्रिंट होता रहेगा, क्योंकि ये एडिशन होता रहेगा ना तब तक. तो ये 2 बार प्रिंट की लिखा मैंने. एक जो प्रिंट लिखा वो नंबर प्रिंट करने के लिए और दूसरा जो प्रिंट लिखा वो रिवर्स प्रिंट करने के लिए उस नंबर का.
वो हम उस उन दोनों लाइन को मिटा भी दो, डायरेक्ट वो आखिरी वाला लिखे तो भी चलता है ना.
चलेगा, लेकिन मुझे ये भी चाहिए था ना, मुझे ये चाहिए था ना. ये आखिरी वाला तो एनीवे इट विल गिव द आंसर.
यही है, वो दिखेगा तो वो अगर नहीं होता तो भी चलेगा. इस सिर्फ पूछना था.
हाँ, ये अगर मैंने कमेंट भी किया तो आपको फाइनल आंसर तो मिलने ही वाला है. वैसे भी आपको फाइनल आंसर मिलने ही वाला है कि पैलिंड्रोम क्या है. ठीक, लेकिन वो बीच में का जो एडिशन कर रहा है ना वो भी हमें चाहिए ना, इसलिए मैंने ये रखा. समझ रहा है ना?
यस सर.
बेस्ट पॉइंट इज ये जो भी कोड मैं सेव कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को, मेक श्योर दैट यू रन इट लाइन बाय लाइन, ब्रेक इट लाइन बाय लाइन. अभी क्या होगा पता है कि मैं एप्लीकेशन डिस्कस करूँगा, तो एप्लीकेशंस में स्क्रैच से डिस्कस नहीं कर सकता. एक आधा एप्लीकेशन में स्क्रैच से डिस्कस कर लूँगा, बट हमें बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस देखने हैं तो मैं आपको डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन दे दूँगा. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस कोर्स एवरीवन यू विल हैव टू डू प्रोजेक्ट्स. You will have to do projects everyone. Then only will be getting the certificate. Is it fine everyone? Is it okay? अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे बताओ. Anyone? I want replies from other people also now. 88 plus 88 is not a palindrome. 176, it's not a palindrome. Yes, Nikhil, it is not a palindrome. It's not a palindrome. So maybe if it is not printed, we can print that. In my case, what it has given is, it has given the addition of 176 plus 671. That is 847. From that number it is given. Okay, from that number actually it is given. So we can get that one also if you want. It is also that's why we are getting another thing, right? As it's not a palindrome, that's why we are getting. That's why we are getting this one. Other people, what about you? What is your status? Are you getting or not? Tell me please. Is it helping you or not? Otherwise, from tomorrow we will stop. If it is not helping you people, I should not waste your time. Other people, tell me. Rohit, Dheeraj, done. Tell me everyone. I can understand, I don't know, maybe you might be having some other sessions before this. If it is like that, then sorry for that, I can't do anything, but please spend some time maybe on recording also later on. When you will be doing the progress, actually you will enjoy it. Yes, other people? Fast. Okay, I can see 2 people already left. Should not have found. Okay, Ashwini is doing fine. Shivan is doing fine. So everyone, I am getting positive response for everyone. So I will hope that everyone is getting. Please let me know if any doubt anything. Even you can WhatsApp me, no problem at all. If you have any doubt anytime, you can WhatsApp me. Okay. Okay, everyone. Then I will just send you the link. I think Vishal sir. I'm sending the link in the chat box for your attendance, and you can mark your attendance. Okay. So we will stop here for today. In the tomorrow's session, we will start with packages. We will start with NumPy package. Then we will go with applications. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. I hope everyone is enjoying getting the things. I am again repeating. If anyone any doubt anytime, let me know. Okay. So everyone, I am going to stop sharing my screen, and we will meet in the next session. Thank you.